Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Chromebook. In my case I have the Acer Chromebook 15. So in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this. In my case here, the owner forgot their password and we want to regain ownership. And what happens here, you can always add another account and that will work. And you can use the guest account, but in your case everything will be deleted and you can't do any download for the apps in the store. So what I'm going to show you here, it's going to be a very quick video on how to reset. So I want you to go ahead and click Ctrl Shift Alt plus R. So I'm going to use these fingers like this, Shift plus R. So I'm going to press them like this, then this. Then this will take us, you press them at the same time. So this will take us here, reset this Chromebook, this Chrome device. And then you have to click on the Powerwash. Then you click that. Then here they will tell you, you confirm. And then they are telling us that your device will be reset and all the user accounts and local data will be removed, and this cannot be undone. So in our case I'm going to say continue. So when you say continue, our Chromebook will go off and to restart again, and this will bring us here, and this is starting the process for erasing everything and to go off again. Then you come back again, you have to wait for it. Then when you reach here, you can click let's go, and then you can go ahead and connect to any wireless network. In my case I'm going to pause and put the password, then we continue. Connect, and this will take us here. You have to agree that on the changes, everything you read through, then you click accept and continue. Then this will start updating your Chromebook from the latest. For the Chromebook will download everything by itself. So let me input my email here right now. Let me pause the video so that after I'll click next after inputting the password. So after signing in, this will take us here and I can go ahead and do this. Then I'll say continue. Then in my case here I'm going to skip this step. Then I'll continue. And our Chromebook will be good to go, and then it is taking us to the settings, and this is how you factory reset your Chromebook. And I'm going to do the tour on how things work in the Chromebook. So right now here you have the apps which are pre-installed when you have a user account, but when you have a guest account you can't go to this process here. So this was just a quick video on how to hard reset or reset your Chromebook to its factory settings, and also remove user data and other files on it. So this is a Chromebook 15 Acer. It has a touch screen, and this is how you do the hard reset. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.